Hey guys, I was in the middle of taking out my mini twists. I've had these in for, I don't want to say quite a month, but it's definitely been, I should be like approaching a month actually. So I was in Dallas. I picked up this African Pride Moisture Miracle Detangle and Condition pre-poo. So it's a pre-poo. I never pre-poo my hair, you guys, because I never have the time and I just don't have the patience for all that. But this time, because my hair just felt really dry and I was just preparing for the worst, to be honest with you guys, with taking these out. Well, I don't want to say I was preparing for the worst, because I've kept up with moisturizing and oils and all that good stuff, and I've even washed and deep conditioned my hair while in these mini twists. But lately it's just felt really dry, so I was just like, you know what, it's time to take them out before they start to like lock up or something like that. I like was in the bathroom doing this side, right? But these twists are so juicy and so moisturized, and detangling my hair was nothing. I was literally in the bathroom like, oh no, I've got to put this on camera, because if you see, I do have 4C hair, super tightly coiled, curled, whatever you want to call it, kinks and all that good stuff. And I was preparing to like really have to just take my time with detangling and all that good stuff, and I don't have to do this because of this one product. Let's see how long it takes me to detangle with this. Dear, what time is it? 10:26. Let's go. 6 minutes to detangle this part, plus I moved my mirror over, plus I stopped to get some thumbnail shots, and my hair it feels really good. The number one thing I want to point out about this African Pride pre-poo is that it was only $4.95. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and share this with you guys really quickly, because I feel like this could help so many of my type 4 hair girls and just make the detangling process so much faster. Also, the brush that I'm using is the Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush, and this is my absolute favorite brush. I love it. Anyways, I'm gonna finish my hair, you guys. Just wanted to share that with you. If you try this product, please let me know down below and let me know how you like it. And also, if you have a different maybe pre-poo that you use, let us know. I'm not into the whole making mixtures of this, that, and the other. I don't have the time, don't feel like blending stuff up. But if it comes like this, it's ready to buy, ready to purchase, please let me know down below. Until then, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.